Welcome back, guys, from spring break, and hopefully you guys had a great spring break. Today's assignment is going to be cellular respiration and photosynthesis ORQ. Now, this is going to be due towards the end of the week, so you can see that the due date here, Friday, April 17th at 8 o'clock a.m., should give you plenty of time to be able to get that particular assignment completed. So, what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste this website. Now, it's a class zone website, so it's going to look just like this. And so what you're going to do is you're going to select your location, Kentucky, hit go, and it may tell you that you need to upgrade your flash player. So you're going to click that and you're going to allow. Then you're going to look for the second option, which is carbon transfer through snails and Elodia. And so what we're looking at is how carbon dioxide cycles through a biological system. So if you had snails and Elodia in that same environment, what would happen to the carbon? Now, obviously a snail is an animal, whereas Elodia is a plant that is typically found in water. So it thrives very, very well. It's easy to be able to reproduce, and it goes through photosynthesis fairly readily. Whereas snails, they will go through cellular respiration. And so there will be another video that goes through both cellular respiration and photosynthesis and kind of the expectations for what we want you to understand about cellular respiration and photosynthesis. So you're going to go through that particular virtual lab, and you do not have to fill out anything on that virtual lab. What really you have to be able to do is to answer these 4 questions. So you're going to use 8 test tubes for your setup, and you're going to list the contents of each one of those 8 test tubes. You're going to then determine what that relationship is between the effects of carbon dioxide and oxygen when placing Elodia with the snails. You're going to come up with the qualitative data that suggests the different levels of carbon dioxide and oxygen, and then you're going to explain your reasoning, the interdependence of snails and Elodia, and how they rely on each other for both carbon dioxide and oxygen. So I